Right. So guys, I'm starting to make the fried rice now. So first I put some vegetable oil into the pot, and then I'm gonna stir fry the mixed veg, the onions first, then the mixed veg, then with the pepper, and we're gonna put the rice. Watch me, I'm gonna do it step by step. So let's go. Onion is actually this is the main taste of fried rice. Onions is the main taste of fried rice. If you don't have onion in your fried rice, oh boy, I don't know what you're eating. This is actually small, but this is how I like it. I don't want the taste to be too strong, so I'm just making this little for myself. So I'm gonna stir fry that. And the oil I'm using is vegetable oil, and is just probably half a size quantity, half a mug, regular mug, just half of it, or 1 cup of mug, depending on the quantity of the rice that you're making, because the quantity of the rice I'm making is actually quite big. I'm just going to show you how to make the fried rice. I'm not going to focus on the quantity. So, but onions and the oil is very, very important. So we're going to wait for that to fry up a little bit. Right. So while that is frying up, I'm going to put the pepper. So the taste of that, the flavor will be so nice. If you don't use onions with your fried rice, I repeat, you are eating rubbish. No offense to anyone out there, but you are eating rubbish, you know. So we're gonna allow this to fry up a little bit. Remember, the onions is gonna melt, or it's going to cook with the rice eventually, so you're not going to actually see onions like this in your fried rice. It's going to melt up or cook up with the rice, so you're not going to see this. And I'll be using parboiled rice and not a fresh cooked rice. Parboiled rice. Right, now I'm gonna pour it's cooked enough a little bit now, so I'm just gonna, oh, by the way, I use four Scotch bonnet for this quantity. So now I'm gonna put the mixed veg to fry up together, and then I'm gonna put curry and thyme together with Maggi and pinch of salt, so that the mixed veg will have a taste as well. So these ingredients had the main flavor of fried rice. So if you get it wrong from the start, then you're gonna be eating rubbish. So you can see that the onions, you can barely see it, but it's gonna cook up anyways. So we're gonna cover this and allow this to cook for a while. So before we do that, I'm just gonna put the Maggi. I'm using 2 cubes of Maggi. I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of thyme. 2, that's not enough, sorry. Depending on how much you like thyme, I feel like I'm gonna put a little bit more for myself. So that's 2½ spoons. So basically this is just to teach you how to make fried rice. Your quantity, you can measure it up, you know, depending on the quantity of the rice you're making. So we need some salt now. Just a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. And then curry. This is actually my favorite curry. Lion curry powder. I don't really measure how I cook because I know the quantity I need in my head, so I just dip it in. Like I don't measure while I cook. I'm actually a good cook, so I don't really measure. So as you can see, I'm just pouring it. I know what I need. But if you're using 2½ spoon of thyme, I suggest you need about 2½ spoon of curry as well because of the ingredients. So the quantity actually depends on the cook or the chef, however you like it. So we're gonna allow this to steam up and cook for a little while, and we pour the rice. Alright, so I'm gonna dip the rice in now, guys. So now as you can see that so now that we've done with the mixing, I'm not gonna put the chicken and the prawn now because those are cooked already. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, boiled water to be precise. To the level of the rice, and then we're going to steam up. Yeah, to the level of the rice, and then we're going to steam it up. Steam it up for about 10 or 15 to 20 minutes. Right. So basically this is parboiled chicken as well, and I'm adding all the rest of the ingredients now because the rice is almost cooked. So we add it now so everything can add flavor all together. So we'll mix it and then we'll wait for it to steam up. You don't need to add any more water, just allow it to steam, or you're gonna have the rice all smudged together, or it's gonna look mushy. So let's just leave it like this. So we're gonna cover it up and let it steam again for probably 15 minutes now because the rice is almost cooked.